Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Ridya, PMM23017. Today course presentation is Digital Language Learning. Before I start this presentation, I will tell you what is digital language learning. Okay. Digital language learning is an application or technology that help us to learn English anywhere and anytime. The title of the presentation is English Learning App Review. So today I will review two apps, is Cake and Hello Talk apps. The first app is Cake. Cake application is an English and Korean learning application developed by Cake Corporation with the aim to make it easier for anyone to learn English and Korean anywhere and anytime without any distance or age difference that applies. The feature in this app contents is homepage contains quizzes on expressions, vocabulary exercise played from the video feature, contains exercise based on chosen skill level. The free features applies to two types, the pre-intermediate and beginner. Review. The user Cake apps may review what they have learned. Profile contains your profile information, your rankings, your achievement, and you can choose the language. Additional paid features. There are video snacks in which there is English learning classes, speaking and listening sessions, classes and speak, pre-intermediate users, learn basic conversation with vlogs, and learn English from movie and TV series. Unlimited self-sentence mistake review. My experience when I use these apps, to be honest, this is my first time I use this app for beginners like me. It is very helpful because the menu and feature options are clear and make it easier for beginners to use the Cake apps. The challenge in using this application is that when we answer the quiz directly out the right or wrong answer. Besides that, there is ranking achievement so that we are like competent with other users in learning English. Makes me challenge it to improve my knowledge and get new vocabulary from this application. Evaluation Cake apps. The quality of the content in this application is good enough that is easily accepted for a user. The feedback obtained is new vocabulary, speaking, and listening exercise, but it also depends on the user if using the application correctly and the purpose for learning. Users learn from movie scenes doing quizzes like completing amazing work from a movie. There are several quiz features. If you want to use it, must watch ads first in order to get hearts used to play quizzes. Users can do questions and answer with Jake or artificial intelligence. The search features is simple so that it can be easily recognized and understood by beginners. However, the sensitivity of the mix is quite low. The app's interface makes users feel easy navigating its features without any documentation or practice. How to use these apps? The first picture, you can see your profile information and ranking. And the second picture, you can see your achievement as far as you use the application and take quiz. Below, you can choose the language you want to learn. And the last picture, you can choose the path curriculum. There is pre-intermediate and upper, middle, and the last one is beginner. This is the features that can be used in this application. The first picture is a review. So, review the user case may review what they have learned. Next picture is quiz. If you want to play this quiz, you will be given a video and you must to watch and listen what they say. And after that, you fill the missing word. And the last picture, we were told to choose the exact meaning of the sentence. Okay, next, HelloTalk apps. HelloTalk is engaging language learning application that encompasses a social networking aspect, enabling users to interact with native speaker of the language they are learning. The features from HelloTalk apps is text translator. Users can translate any language. And next, language corrections. Users can correct each other's message from grammar and vocabulary mistake, providing valuable feedback. Language exchange. Users can find language partners who are native speakers of the language they want to learn. Voice and video chat. Users can interact with other users. This can practice our speaking skills. Teacher and tutor service. Users can also find professional language teachers or tutors within the app for more structured learning. And the last one, moments, similar with social media. You can post your text, audio recording, or photos in your target language. Audience can give comment and correct your post. Okay, next, language challenge. There are language games that make the lessons more interesting and not boring. Offline language learning, we can download the material for offline use. Experience in using this application is quite confusing because the features are less understandable, but this application is quite helpful for practice our speaking skills. Evaluation apps. To use this application, must use the internet network, especially in using video and voice chat features. The quality of feedback may vary depending on your partner's language proficiency. Less experienced partners may provide inaccurate corrections. Time difference with partners can be challenging because they can be schedule conflict. Lack of a structured curriculum so that it cannot meet the needs of users who prefer a more organized learning approach. The app may not work on older or less common device and operating system, limiting accessibility for some users. Increase relationship by having partners from various countries. To first enter the application, we are giving a choice of levels. There are beginner, advanced basic, advanced intermediate, upper, advanced, and expert. The second picture, there are translator, grammar, hello world, and hello English. This is the features. And last picture, the last picture is the video and voice chat features, where we can interact directly with native speakers and practice our speaking skill. Okay, and the last slide is conclusion. HelloTalk and the Cake application or English learning application that have their own disadvantage and advantage. With this application can make it easier for us to learn anywhere and anytime. And for me personally, I prefer to use the Cake application instead of HelloTalk because for people who first use this application is easy to understand and clear instructions. But that doesn't mean the HelloTalk application is not good, but are good for learning English. But for the HelloTalk feature makes me less interested and confused about how to use it. Uh, that's all from my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.